Full camera systems are overkill for your first home. Start with a smart doorbell. It's cheaper, simple, and covers where most action happens. Instant alerts, two-way talk, easy DIY. Doorbell, $100 to $250. Full system, $800 to $2,000 plus. Install. Doorbell is DIY. Systems need wiring. Privacy. Fewer lenses, fewer neighbor views. Deterrence. Doorbell helps. Full grid suits big lots or recent incidents. So how to decide? House. Doorbell first. Add 1 to 2 cams for side or yard if thefts. Condo, co-op. Check HOA. If no exterior, use an indoor cam. Message me.